Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck floor mats on Amazon. Even if you're not taking your pickup to a construction site every day, the carpet and factory floor mats can become worn and faded over time. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. BDK Proliner Floor Mats. BDK makes a set of budget-friendly floor mats that offer great quality and protection for your truck's carpeting. They are not tailored to fit a specific vehicle, but the Proliner mats can be trimmed for a better fit. Flexible materials allow the mats to squeeze through tight spaces and make installation a breeze, while the robust anti-slip backing keeps them in place for the long haul. These mats feature deep channels and ridges to capture dirt and water, and the set comes with coverage for both rows of your truck's seating. The rear mat features a center section to cover the space between the seats for even more protection. You can also choose between black, tan, or gray to match your truck's interior. What we like about it? Incredible value pricing. Super flexible material makes installation a breeze. Great protection and fit with no slips. What we don't like about it? Buyer must trim the mat to fit. Can be somewhat difficult to install, depending on the truck and size of floorboard. Number 2. 3D MaxSpider Custom Fit Floor Mats. Very few floor mats can compete on the level with WeatherTech, and 3D MaxSpider's mats are one of the best to take on the industry giant. They offer a custom fit design for specific vehicles and feature a shock and sound absorbent material for better comfort and sound deadening. They don't have deep ridges or grooves like some products on this list, but the 3D MaxSpider mats feature a prominent raised lip to capture dirt and grime. The company backs its floor mats with a 3-year warranty, which is decent but falls way short of the lifetime warranty WeatherTech offers. Additionally, some buyers report discoloration after longer periods of time. On the upside, 3D MaxSpider's customer service appears to be solid, so you'll likely get a quick resolution to any issues you experience. What we don't like about it? Great fit and handsome design. 3 colors to match any interior. Easy installation. What we don't like about it? Only a 3-year warranty. Lacks deep grooves and channels to trap dirt. Number 3. Smartliner All-Weather Custom Mats. Smartliner is another company giving WeatherTech a run for its money. The Smartliner All-Weather mats feature a skid-resistant underside and a textured surface to capture all the mess from your boots. The company uses laser scans to determine fit, so the mats are tailored for seat rails, pedals, and other obstacles that reside in your truck's footwell. Though Smartliner's mats are custom fit, they aren't compatible with every variant of every model. The company's website lists restrictions for trucks like the 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500, where mats only fit certain cab configurations and bed setups. What we like about it? Accurate fit. Reasonable price. Lifetime warranty. What we don't like about it? Some mats only fit specific truck configurations. Not as thick as other mats. Number 4. Husky Liner's UniFit. With its UniFit product, Husky managed to make truck floor mats that are both light and rugged. Though they're not tailored to fit from the factory, the trim-to-fit design is relatively easy to deal with, and the mat's deep ridges keep all the dirt and grime locked in place. Underneath, the Husky mats feature ridges to keep them in place, and they're easy to pull out and hose down. Husky guarantees the UniFit floor mats for life, so you can buy them without worrying about shredding them in a month. Many buyers state that the mats are too narrow for their vehicle, and some report an off-putting odor when taking them out of the box. It's important to measure before purchasing, and if you experience an odor, let the mats rest outside of the packaging, which should remedy the smell. What we like about it? Thick, durable material. Easy to trim and install. Deep grooves trap tons of dirt and moisture. What we don't like about it? Can be too narrow for some trucks. Some buyers report bad smells out of the box. Number 5. WeatherTech All-Weather Floor Mats. WeatherTech makes an amazing line of laser-fit floor mats, but the company's not a one-trick pony. Its all-weather mats offer great protection and fit, but require trimming for specific applications. What we like about it? Amazing fit. Top-notch quality. Great protection against dirt and moisture. What we don't like about it? More expensive than most. Can be somewhat difficult to install, depending on the truck and size of floorboard. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.